Chairman Amy, sino po yung mga congressman na kinontak po ninyo na umoo po sa inyo, natutulungan kayo na makuha yung 3%?
Kaya naman namin naisip na lumapit sa mga congressmen is
Yung mga pangalan na lang po, please. Marami po pa tayong testigo. Nandito na si
Congressman
Justice
Rufus
Carpio.
Rodriguez,
At
kinausap namin.
nagpapasalamat
Si
tayo.
Congressman Garbin, kinausap ko.
Sino pa po? Sino pa po?
There are
Sina
several more.
Congressman Saldico kasama at si Speaker Romualdez.
Saldi ko, no, I didn't talk to Saldi. Saldi ko.
Ganon po ba? Sigurado po kayo kasi marami-rami ang meeting ninyo, mga party, dinner. Sabi nga ninyo, ilang beses kayo. Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence
That
of...
you alleged, Mr. Oñate. Can you identify the people in the photograph? Why can't they show the photo? Yeah, we're trying to enlarge the picture to share it with everyone in the room. There we go. I think that's as big as we can get it. People's Initiative for Charter Change, staff meeting, January 8. Can you tell us who are in the picture, Mr. Oñate, please?
Madam Senator.
The question is who, sir?
But you
That
said
was the
you
time-
never
that
had
was the
any
time
meetings.
that I coordinated with the speaker.
You said you never met the speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the speaker.
Sasabi mo lang na hindi naman kayo nagkita. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because you know, it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind, Madam Senator. That was the
Okay
time
lang,
that
okay
I,
lang.
that
Kung
I sought,
nakalimutan
that
ninyo
was the
bigla,
time that I sought the
is
help of the
Speaker Martin
speaker
Romualdez supporting your group?
to help
Is
us
it-
in the signature campaign. Yes.
Okay, so it's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative. Is that correct?
Yes, we coordinate with the speaker and the
Thank you very
congressman
much,
in
and I'll,
getting the
give it
3%
back
per
to-
congressional district. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Thank you very much for helping us along with this investigation.
Which happens to be the same party list of the distinguished appropriations chairman of the House of Representatives. And in your various Facebook posts, I see you often in the House, Congressman Garbin. I presume you are a consultant of Congressman Chairman APRO Chair Zaldico?
I serve as the executive director of Ako Bicol Party List.
And,
So I work with Ako Bicol until now.
but I see your pictures in most of the meetings in the House, Congressman Garbin, with the Speaker, not only as Ako Bicol Chairman. Which I...
That is true. That is
Pinapalo
of-
kasi kita sa Facebook eh.
That is of public knowledge that you can browse my Facebook, talagang puno ng pictures ng house dahil nagtatrabaho po ako sa Ako Bicol Party List, which happens to be ang isang representante ay chairman ng Committee on Appropriation.
Just to settle that fact, Madam Chair. Now, proceeding with the question of the chairperson, Mr. Oñate, you said you contacted congressmen to get the 3% per district. Nasabi ko nga, kung ako din yung nasa kalagayan yung sinusulong to, kukontakin ko rin yung congressman dahil per district ang usapan, di naman per barangay eh. Di ba? Per district ang usapan, di naman per munisipyo eh.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, it's true.
papunta dun sa tanong ni Senator Amy, Chairman Amy, sino po yung mga congressman na kinontak po ninyo na umoo po sa inyo, natutulungan kayo na makuha yung 3%?
Kaya naman namin naisip na lumapit sa mga congressmen is
Yung mga pangalan na lang po, please. Marami po pa tayong testigo. Nandito na si
Congressman
Justice
Rufus
Carpio.
Rodriguez,
At
kinausap namin.
nagpapasalamat
Si
tayo.
Congressman Garbin, kinausap ko.
Sino pa po? Sino pa po?
there are
Sina
several more.
Congressman Saldico kasama at si Speaker Romualdez.
Saldico, no, I didn't talk to Saldico.
Ganon po ba? Sigurado po kayo kasi marami-rami ang meeting ninyo, mga party, dinner. Sabi nga ninyo, ilang beses kayo. Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there. Ako naman, nilapitan ni Mr. Oñate because he knew for a fact that in the 18th Congress, I was the chair of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments who defended the resolution of both houses number 2 that, passed the restrictive economic provisions of the
With
Constitution.
due respect to Congressman Garbin, we will just recognize the chairperson because they're flashing a very important picture on screen.
I received this photo, and I believe it was one of the meetings that you alleged, Mr. Oñate. Can you identify the people in the photograph? Why can't they show the photo? Yeah, we're trying to enlarge the picture to share it with everyone in the room. There we go. I think that's as big as we can get it. People's Initiative for Charter Change, staff meeting, January 8th. Can you tell us who are in the picture, Mr. Oñate, please?
Madam Senator.
The question is who, sir?
You
That
said
was the
you
time-
never
that
had
was the
any
time
meetings.
that I coordinated with the Speaker.
You said you never met the speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the Speaker.
Sasabi mo lang na
to-
hindi naman kayo nagkita eh. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind, Madam Senator. That was the
Okay
time
lang,
that
okay
I,
lang.
that, that
Kung
I sought,
nakalimutan
that
ninyo
was the
bigla,
time that I sought
is
the help of the
Speaker Martin
Speaker
Romualdez supporting your group?
to help
Is
us
he-
in the signature campaign. Yes.
Okay, so it's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative. Is that correct?
Yes, we coordinate with the Speaker and the
Thank you very
Congressman
much, and
in
I'll,
getting the
give it
3%
back
per
to-
congressional district. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Thank you very much for helping us along with this investigation. I'd like to turn it back to Senator Cheese.
I'll wind up, Madam Chair. That was the point I wanted to establish, Madam Chair, distinguished colleagues, na maliban dun sa mga kongresistang binanggit nyo, baka kung si Speaker Romualdez nakalimutan yung banggitin, siguro mas marami pa kayong ibang nakalimutang banggitin. So, sa pagkakaalala nyo, kesa magpakita pa ho kami ng ibang litrato, sino pa pong mga kongresista ang nakausap nyo para makakuha ng pirma sa kada distrito?
As I have said
With the
earlier,
permission, Madam Chair, with the permission of Congressman Garbin, the question is being addressed to Mr. Oñate. Since he is the lead convener here and merely asked for the help of Congressman...
he's not the lead convener, Madam Chair, for the record.
He just said so.
He just
I'm
said so.
confused.
For Pirma, but there's a different
So
movement.
Pirma is no longer the lead convener.
No.
Please enlighten us.
Pirma is just one of the of the movement that
Di ba
goes around.
magkasundo kayo? Kasi iba-iba yung sinasabi ninyo, nalilito po kami eh.
Just to be clear, Madam Chair, Pirma is just one of the movement that goes around the country to gather signatures for this People's Initiative. In the Bicol region, I may say that I'm the one leading and collecting signatures,
Okay.
making it for the Bicolanos understand what they've signed for.
Salamat po. Ibalik natin kay Mr. Oñate po.
Yes, if I may go
Senator
back to Mr. Oñate, because Congressman Garbin, kasama ka lang sa et al. Eh. Ang nakasulat sa petitioner si Attorney Abad na inamin ni Mr. Oñate na isa daw sa mga conveners nila ng pirma. Di po ba? So, is Attorney Abad part
The
of
volunteers.
Ako Bicol or the new organization you put up, or is he part of pirma?
Not part of Ako Bicol, not
It's
part of Pirma, but
part
when
of
he
Pirma.
started independently as an advocate of this People's Initiative.
Kaangkin lang po ni Mr. Oñate na bahagi si Attorney Abad ng pirma.
Yes.
Sinabi niyo po kanina. Hanggang ngayon po, sinasabi niyo.
He is part
So-
of PIRMA.
So,
The only thing is, I think the lawyers forgot, is because the first batch of the forms that were printed, the name of Attorney Abad was used. But the subsequent forms are now PIRMA.
okay.
Because the first batch was Anthony Abad.
Okay, ngayon, matanong ko po kayo. So kayo yung nagpa-print ng form na Attorney Abad? Yes or no?
Yeah, well, I did.
Yes or no,
didn't-
sir?
I didn't have a hand in the printing of the forms.
No?
No.
So, no. Okay.
Kayo po ba yung nagpa-print ng form na may pirma na nakalagay? Wala ng Attorney Abad?
Yes.
Kayo po yung nagpa-print?
Yeah, the subsequent
Yes.
forms that were printed, pirma na.
Pirma na po.
Oo.
Ilan
Ang
po
nangyari
yung...
lang yung mga naunang form, Anthony Abad.
Sino po yung nagpa-print nun? Convener niyo po si Attorney Abad.
Mga volunteers po.
Mga volunteers
Mga
po.
volunteers ang nagpa-print.
Yung pirma mismo na nakalagay, kayo na nagpa-print.
Oo, yung law firm. Sila.
Magkano po ginastos nyo sa pagpapaprint ng form na may pirma?
I don't have the exact figures right now. Let me consult with.
Please
my
ask him.
lawyer.
Yeah, I'm sure they should know. You knew this was going to be discussed.
Well, what I know is that the figure that I know, I don't know the figure regarding the printing of the forms. But the figure that I know is the airing of the advertisement. That's the figure that I know.
Pupunta po tayo doon.
The-
Doon muna tayo sa...
the
Mas mahal po yun eh.
The advertisement cost 55 million. ABS-CBN, TV5,
Madam Chair?
and GMA 7.
Yes, if
But
Senator Cheese will
printing,
allow, sorry,
I don't have the figures.
so although you printed the forms with the pirma at the bottom, you have no clue how much it cost.
No,
This is remarkable.
because it's the staff that knows. Because I don't know
Okay.
I don't know everything.
With the permission of Senator Cheese, there's a quick manifestation from Senator Bato here.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Uñate, I just would like to remind you na sana, remind lang kita, baka sunod-sunod yung pagsisinungaling mo ba? Ha? Una, alam mo, under oath ka. Tapos sinabi mo kanina, you never had a meeting with the speaker, kung sino-sino mang nasa likuran nito. Ngayon, when
No,
we
I
show you
didn't
the
say-
picture,
I
makinig
didn't
ka muna,
say-
makinig ka muna. When we show you the picture, sabi mo, it slips your mind. Kaya I'm just giving you a fair warning. Ha? Fair warning. Please, do not lie before this committee. Please, do not lie before this committee. Ha? Magpakatotoo tayo dito.
No, because I was asking my lawyers sino yung pwede kong banggitin. And sinabi nila si Rufus Rodriguez and Congressman Harbin.
Kaya nga,
But I
sabi mo
didn't say-
kanina,
I didn't say
tinanong
that
ka
I
ng
didn't
chairman,
know, Speaker Romualdez, and I didn't say that.
hindi kasama sa meeting, pero nandyan, may picture.
In fact, if you check my interviews with the various radio stations, I mentioned to them that I went to Speaker Romualdez to seek his assistance regarding People's Initiative.
Madam Chair.
Thank you for that clarification. Thank
I
you.
admitted in various interviews.
Madam Chair, I saw your interviews actually, Mr. Oñate, and you were very vocal and honest about the fact that you sought the Speaker's assistance. Now, may I ask, what kind of assistance did he give you?
Administrative and advisory. Because being the speaker, he is like the CEO
Of the House?
of Congress, yes.
So ano po yung administrative na tulong na binigay niya sa'yo para makalap yung 3% per district?
Yung mga tao namin, pupunta sa isang distrito, makikipag-coordinate sila sa congressman because it's the congressman who is in turn the CEO of the district.
I
Kasi
agree with you.
distrito niya yun eh. So natural lamang
Kaya sinasabi ninyo, sa
pupuntahan
madaling
namin yung
sabi,
congressman.
so hindi talaga kaya ng pirma isa-isahin ang mga distrito. Ang nakatutok, si Speaker, inuutusan yung mga congressman. Tama?
Hindi naman po. Kami po ang pumupunta sa mga congressman
Pagsasabihan
at
ko lang si
humihingi kami
Attorney
ng tulong sa
Abisado na
kanila.
wag mag-coach please. Anong sabi po ninyo? Hindi ninyo kaya, di ba, sa pirma? Kasi napakaraming distrito. So nagpatulong kayo at sila yung nakatutok.
There are 250 districts, 257
So inaamin
districts.
ninyo na ang nakatutok yung kongresista at si Speaker. Tama po ba? Kasi kailangan ninyo yung tulong
Tinutulungan
eh.
kami ng kongresista dahil distrito po niya yung
Madam Chair.
Anong uri ng
congressional
tulong?
Madam Chair,
district.
can I be recognized, Madam Chair?
No, let us finish, please. Yes, it's our hearing. Thank you. Back to Mr. Oñate po. Anong tulong ang binibigay ng mga kongresista at ni Speaker?
Ang tulong nila, kung ano yung population ng distrito nila, kung saan po,
makukuha naman yun online po.
Saan kukuha ng mga boto, tinuturo nila, yun, basically administrative ang tulong nila.
If I may, hindi nyo naman kilala yung mahigit 250 kongresista, so kailangan talaga na makapagbigay ng administrative na tulong ang Speaker na masabihan yung mga congressman na pag nagpunta yung tao nyo doon o kayo, asikasuhin.
Opo. Inamin ko naman po sa mga radio stations at sa mga interviews sa TV and all that. In fact, there are days that I'm being interviewed 3 times, 4 times a day. And grabe kung makatawag ang
I've seen
ang
most of the
media.
interviews, sir. I've seen most of the interviews.
10 beses, no? Walang tigil. Kaya, pag-coordinate ako kay Speaker, natulungan naman kami sa aming pagpapapirma sa mga distrito.
Kasama po ba sa
Kasi
administrative?
sumusunod lang po kami sa batas, sinasabi po ng batas,